This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Come take a look at this great home located on Quite Street. Inside you'll find freshly painted rooms and updated vinyl plank flooring. Spacious living room complete with cozy fireplace. Kitchen includes all appliances and the cabinets have been freshly painted. Bathrooms have just had new toilets installed. HVAC system was installed in 2020. New roof was just put on November 2023. Conveniently located near the new Memorial High School. A great home ready to move in awaits you. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.